Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The man shared mangoes with the monkey. Nearby, a mouse appeared by the mushrooms, surprising them all. Laughter filled the moment. Monkey thanked the man. Be kind and careful always. Dear kids, let's meet with the new alphabet M. Its sound is moon, monkey, mango, man, mushroom, mouse. Dear kids, can you imagine what a monkey looks like? What sound do you think a monkey makes? See you in the next lesson.